Hi friends, today my mom and dad show me some excited coins. I will also show you. Come with me. This is the coin activity. I and my mom and dad did it in our house. This is 2 rupee note. Have you seen it before? This is 10 rupee note and this is 1 rupee note. And these are 5 rupee different coins.
लाल बहादुर शास्त्री, Jagat Guru Narayan, Saint Alphasra. These are Commonwealth coins. These are Maulana Abdul Kalam Azad coins. These are Chanakya coins. This is Periyar Anna coins. This is Acharya Tulsi coins. This is coins related to agriculture. These two coins are Swami Vivekananda. This is the State Bank of India symbol is on it. This is Basveshwara coins. This is Tiruvalluvar photo on the coins. This is Rajendra Prasad. This is coin related to mother health. Mother's health. In the year 1996. These are coins of Rabindranath Tagore. This is Dadabhai Nauroji. And these are coins of Mother Teresa. And these are many 5 rupees coin with different people faces printed on it for their pride towards the nation, to appreciate their work. Here you can see Chhatrapati Shivaji coin, and there are a lot more of coins with different symbol on it. This is a coin to celebrate the 50 years of independence. This is a coin for related to small family. And this is a foreign currency from Mother Nation. There are many more coins, but I have not just labeled it. And these are currency from Thailand. These are coins of that country. This is the map of India I have done with me and Deepak. We did it with coin of 50 paisa. 50 paisa coin with Indian map on it. So all these coins, whatever you are seeing, all the coins has India map on it. So we have done a full India map using more 50 paisa coins, and some are 1 rupee coin. And this is a special one, a lotus made up of 10 rupee and 5 rupee coin with goddesses Lakshmi on it. Each and every coin what you are seeing has a Lakshmi picture on it. We usually keep this for festival and pray during Lakshmi fest, but I thought of doing something different. Like, I'll just show you a little bit close by. See, you can see Lakshmi or goddesses Durga on each coin. We have made a collection of these coins. And the swastik. This whole lotus is made up of coins using 10 rupee and 5 rupee coins of only goddesses prints on it. Next, like moving on to my favorite coins. These are my tiny little coins. I have done this flower using 10 paisa and 25 paisa. I don't think this will make a difference now, but to look, it's very cute and one of my favorite coins. Only 25 paisas and 10 paisas. And next, moving on to my very old collection of coins. These are very old coins of 1 paisa, 2 paisas, 5 paisas. I don't know how many people remember this, but this is what it looks like. 1 paisa, 1968. Then 2 paisa. This was printed in the year 1975. And this is 5 paisa. It is in the year I think it's 1973. And these are all very, very old coins. 5 paisa, 10 paisa, and 50 paisa, 20 paisa, 25 paisa, 10 paisa, different kinds of 20 paisas, 10 paisas.
Just listen.
These are very old collection of coins. I have made a hut out of it. So I thought I will show all these coins to my son. So I have made this at home.